Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to join the Shopify affiliate program. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type Shopify affiliate program and press search. Click on the first result, which should take you to Shopify's official affiliate website. Once the page loads, click the Apply Now button. You'll be taken to a page where you can sign up to become a Shopify affiliate and earn commissions by referring merchants. Click Sign Up to continue. The first thing you'll see is the Shopify affiliate contract terms. Scroll through them to review the details. After reviewing, check the checkbox to agree to the terms, then click the Continue button. Next, you'll be asked to sign up using one of the available methods, or you can register using your email. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and mobile phone number. Once all the information is filled in, click Get Started. You'll now receive a verification code via email. Enter it into the verification field and click Verify to continue. Next, select the category of your business, then scroll down and click Continue. Now comes an important step. Choose how you plan to promote Shopify. This choice can affect whether your application is approved. Select a reliable and relevant platform, such as social media, then click Continue. After that, choose whether you're applying as an individual or a company and enter the required details. Once everything is filled out, check the box, click the Submit button, and confirm by clicking OK. You'll then be redirected to your account page, which manages the Shopify affiliate program. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.